Guess the video is on. So I washed my bike. I took it to the washing center and gave it a nice wash. Now there is an issue with the bike. It's started to smoke. So basically the bore, I think the crank and the bore are dead. It's gone. That needs to be replaced. So you can see at the washing center they have done a nice job. They have cleaned it up well. They've actually cleaned the bike really well. I specifically told them that there is some work that needs to be done on the bike, and just have the engine bay cleaned up very nicely. So they have done a good job, and even I was present. I was there when they were washing the bike, so guess maybe that just helped in getting the bike more cleaner. So in the next video I will show you the ripping of the engine. So it'll be completely torn apart, and we will build the engine. I've modified a little, not exactly modified, but just that the existing Pulsar headlight costs almost 2 grand, and this one cost me around 400 bucks. So there's a cost saving there. See you again.